Hi there! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import presets in Lightroom Mobile on an iPhone. Make sure your Lightroom app is completely up to date before you get started. Firstly, we want to locate where the DNG files have been saved and share them to Lightroom. To do this, open your Photos app to get to your gallery and look for the newly downloaded presets. The files might appear blank. Do not worry, this is completely normal. Tap Select and select the presets you want to import. Then find the Share button, usually at the bottom left-hand corner, and tap it. Now we want to find the Lightroom app to share to. If you do not see it available, scroll all the way until you see the three dots and tap on that. Find Lightroom, tap on it. You might see a pop-up asking to launch Lightroom now. You would want to select that. If your Lightroom did not automatically open, just launch it. Otherwise, your images should now be imported into Lightroom. Just wait a second for the success message to pop up and go to All Photos. Now select the presets files. To select images, you can just long press on an image to select it and tap on the rest to select more. Now we want to move them to an album in order to find them easier if you have a lot of images in Lightroom. To do this, find the Add To icon, usually on the bottom panel, and select it. Now create a new album, name it, and hit OK. Proceed to go back to the home screen, find the newly created album and open it. We are now going to save the presets. Open the first DNG image file, tap on the three dots on the top right-hand corner and select Create Preset. Name the preset accordingly. In this tutorial, we are saving the Insta Black 01 preset, so name it exactly that to find it easier later. Then tap the preset group drop-down and select Create New Preset Group. Name it accordingly. In this tutorial, we are saving the Insta Black presets, so name the group Cali Presets Insta Black. Select the drop-down from Select and tap on All. Then hit the check mark on the top right-hand corner. And there you have it. The first preset has been saved. You can now just proceed and do this for all the DNG files. So let's quickly go through this one more time before we head on to the next steps. We're just going to speed this up till all the presets are created. After you have saved all the presets, you can now go back to the home screen and select the desired image to apply the presets to. Find the preset icon at the bottom panel. You might have to scroll to find it depending on your version of Lightroom. Tap on it and make sure the Yours option is selected. You can now find the newly saved presets here. You can now apply the desired preset. With newer versions of Lightroom, you can now easily adjust the intensity of a preset. Just tap on the horizontal line icon, left to the preset name, and slide the intensity to your preference. For this tutorial, we will leave it on 100. Hit the check mark to apply the changes. And there you have it. You have successfully imported and applied your presets. We do hope you enjoy them. Till next time.